Thanks. This should be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm curious. Are you oh. Turn my traction control off. Dude, I didn't do that until the last time.
Yeah, I just started doing it.
This is the part that is always like, I'm always like, all right, let's like, oh. Like, it gives me like the, yeah. I'm like running through it in my head like, okay, first gear, e-brake up. If I could just learn to ride my clutch a little bit more, you know, like. So we'll see. We'll see. I just want to get 12.99. I don't care.
I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
My last pass was 13.04.
Oh. I want to race you, so I'm going to wait. I'm going to go against Nick. Yeah.
That'll be a good run.
So tell Luis he can go around me if he wants.
No, he's going to line up Krista.
Damn, I'm mad I'm going to miss that run.
You're going to pull up to a complete stop. If you don't, you're going to want to use the e-brake as I do here. I'm in first gear, clutch in, and I'm going to rev the crap out of this. Going to hold it at 4,000 RPM, that's what it's set to. And now I'm going to feather the clutch. And by feather, I mean ride the shit out of the clutch, because if you don't, you will bog, as you saw in the previous clip. Now, as for no lift shift, this also has to be set up, can be set up through your cobb accessport. The idea behind this is you do not have to lift your foot off the gas pedal while you're changing gears. It's actually really fun, and so you'll see here what I'm going to do to achieve this no lift shift is I'm obviously going to keep my right foot floored on the gas, changing gears, while simultaneously my left foot up off the clutch. You're going to do this quick. You'll see it in the video. It's real quick. The car holds the RPM nicely. It's kind of like bum, 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 bum when you switch gears, so you don't have that big like jerk as you may expect or not as the car changes gears. So anyway, I'm really bad at this voiceover stuff, so I just wanted to see you know, if I could put this out there, help anybody.
Spanky. I think he beat you. You did it by 0.3. You did a 13.0. He did a 13.3.
13.2. She did 13.08.
Is this me?
That's you, yeah. Yeah, you beat.
That's your new PB.
My
right?
reaction-
You down the track, but your time.
My reaction
yeah.
time is sucky.
Yeah, you got
Wow, yeah, good deal.
Alright, what was your RT?
Mine was worse than before.
0.131.
Fuck you.
That's
all I was like, that's your new
13.04.
PB, right? Yeah. I saw it come up because he treated you. His time came up first. and then I saw yours. I said, damn, she beat him.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Not with the
because
tree.
track,
Yeah,
so I don't
it
know.
happens
I
sometimes.
never know. I was fucking no lift shifting
I gotta-
7,500. I was like,